I am sad because my friend is sick. I walk because the day is nice. I smile while I work. I stayed home because it was raining. She was tired but happy. I like tea and coffee. I went out although it was cold. He ran fast but missed the bus. She cooked dinner and washed the dishes. I will call you when I arrive. We waited until the rain stopped. He is poor but honest. I was late because I missed the bus. I can go if you come with me. He tried hard but failed the test. She was hungry, so she ate quickly. I stayed quiet because I was nervous. We played outside until it got dark. He was angry but did not shout. I drink water when I feel thirsty. She is kind and helpful. I read a book while waiting. He went home because he was sick. She worked hard, so she passed. I will help you if you ask. He was tired, so he slept early. She smiled although she was sad. I stayed inside because it was windy. We can leave after we finish dinner. He is young but very smart. I like apples and bananas. She was late because of traffic. I called her, but she did not answer. We will start when everyone arrives. He kept running although he was tired. I was happy because you came. She sang while she cleaned the room. I will wait until you return. He studied hard so he could pass. She is small but strong.